welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today, I'm sure you're noticing that we're in a little bit different surrounding. We're here in my home studio where I work and play and do all my stuff. So today I've got some really cool stuff that I want to show you. This one is called the Sketchmaker Watercolor Fan Book. It is chock full of 42 different watercolors inside this. They're almost like little pans. They call it a watercolor fan book because you just fan them little sweeties out there like this. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. So 42 like amazing colors, and you can see they're poured into these like little reservoirs, like little pans and stuff. Now keep in mind that even though this is like a Cheap Joe's kind of product, this is not American Journey watercolor inside this unit. These are like what we call like a sketching watercolor. You know, they are not like the most professional quality and stuff, so keep that in mind. This is ideal for several reasons for things like vacationing, like traveling. So if you aren't interested in spending $100 on a pocket box that's full of, you know, professional grade pans and stuff, this is a no-brainer. This one is a great price point. It is super handy, very lightweight. It also has like 2 little mixing areas, and you can see we've already christened it healthfully here on there. So you got places where you can mix color. It also comes with a water brush, so you have a brush with water reservoir in there, so you can do all kinds of cool stuff. And also has like a little sponge blotter on there, so if you wanted to like clean your brush and stuff like that, it's perfect. Think of this as like maybe you're going on vacation and you don't have room to take all of your, you know, artist haul with you. This is super lightweight. You could put it in your pocket, go anywhere, do anything. But, you know, for me, there are a couple other things that I would like to have with me. For instance, like the watercolor, I mean, this water brush is fine, you know, but I know for me, it would be a little bit inhibiting. So, but with a few simple additions, this thing could be like super deluxe. So I have like my foldable little water cup here from Faber-Castell. I could take that with me. Also can't do without a really great pencil, so Sketch and Wash would be great because that's water soluble. I have to take that with me. Factis eraser, hello. Can't go without that. And then a couple of really great brushes, like, so I've got a golden fleece and other Cheap Joe's brushes that I'd have to absolutely take with me. And then even if you had like a Kilimanjaro baby block that also would fit in your pocket, super, you're done, man. And you've got a whole wealth of options in here just with this handy little thing. So whether you're going on a trip or you're interested in buying a gift for somebody who's interested in watercolor, or maybe, you know, watercolor is not your primary area and you're kind of interested if this has any legs for you, it's a great way to try it out and see if this is something that you're really willing to dive into before you get into a great big investment. This is a fantastic pickup that we just got for summer. It is the Sketchmaker Watercolor Fan Book, and it is amazing, and we are sure you will enjoy.